Good morning. Happy 2022. Happy snow day. Happy heading towards spring. Valentine's Day is coming up. I got you covered. I have been around, although I haven't gone live for a while. And I took some of my last orders on the 23rd of December. And so you knew that they were not promised to be received, obviously. Good morning. On the 25th. So, but most of you were really great and had everything in on this by the 17th, so you got your orders. And anything that's been coming in on a regular basis since then, I've been filling every day, no later than 3. That's when my new pick, I pull my orders at 3 o'clock instead of 7 o'clock in the night, because you know what? I need to rest a little. So I figured if I rest a little bit, that would be great for me. So, you know, it's been working. Hi. It's snowing, and I love the snow, and I love the fact that kids get to stay home from school. Unfortunately, that's not been a great issue, a great thing lately. But kids are home today. Maybe the parents are going to go crazy. I don't know. But this is what I want to say. What state are you from that you do receive snow? You don't need to just tell me you don't get snow and then make me all jealous about that. Hi, Erica. And speaking of which, that is my daughter, and she's getting married this year, and we're so excited. She's getting married in June, so we're super duper excited. She's marrying Peter, and they're going to have an amazing wedding. I can just tell you that right now. So we're super duper excited. Also, other things. Let me just skip back to what I was saying a minute ago. Other things that are happening in 2022. My new line, my spring line. So I call it my Valentine's Day / spring line. So, oh, hi Peter. So here we are with the Valentine's Day and spring line together. The reason I did that is because, you know what, a lot of stuff does not sell on Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, Easter, not good. That's not really great for the soap business and for the lotion and everything. But let me get into what I've done so far. Also, in the comment below, there will be a winner of one of my bracelets, because, you know, I did have a jewelry business at one time. I made some new bracelets. I need to know how many inches of snow you got. I need to know what state you're from. Again, obviously, you know, don't write to me and say, it's sunny here, it's beautiful, my toes are in the sand. Yeah. I know some of you have that going on. But tell me how many inches, the state. Share my page, tag a friend, and your name will go into a drawing, 2 drawings for a $40 bracelet. So there you go. So just do that. You can do it down here. I'll be on Instagram later on today, and then I'll be on YouTube as well. I may just download this to YouTube, and there you go from there. Number 1, and the most exciting item that I have created so far, is my massage oil. So I started thinking about this when I was at the Christmas Farm and Spa in New Hampshire, and I realized that they were using my fragrance oils and so on, and people loved it. They called it their signature scent and so on. So I decided to make my own oils, and any spa, I have 2 spas interested and 2 that I hope will be interested, and it will be, and for all of you as well. It comes in a pink glass bottle with a pink pipette, or pipette, however you say it, and it has rosemary in it. It has all antioxidant and you know, any kind of anti-inflammatory oils that will be really great for you. This is water soluble. What that means, I don't want anything that's going to go into a bathtub. When you go to take a bath, you don't want it beating at the top of your water. This will go into your bath. You'll get it, will absorb into your skin, because it also has vitamin B5. And which helps things absorb into your skin. You know, I use that. Also vitamin E, which is a natural preservative, so that's also great. But the most important thing to know is it's water soluble. So it has all the great products that are in there. And 7 inches. Oh, wow. Did we get that much? I didn't know. Oh, you're further on out, Anne. So you probably got a lot more than we did. But anyway, So anyway, this is the massage oil that you can put into your bath, and it will absorb into your skin. And then when you go to clean your bathtub, it's just rinse. That's it, rinse. There's nothing more than that. So this is already online. I put it online last night. So this is my new massage oil. Okay, and I think there's 5 ounces, 4.9 ounces, something like that. And it has, let me just grab this over here. Okay, it has fig, And it has, and fig is beautiful. It smells wonderful. Don't be afraid of fig. It smells so beautiful. It's refreshing. It's a little floral, a little sandalwood. It just smells like a little bit of everything. So I had to make this all-in-one fig and brown sugar soap. So the little, if you look really close, the apricot pumice is supposed to be my little brown sugar. And anyway, it's really great for you. It's sweet, it's floral, warm, vanilla, mulberry. Those are all the scents that you'll smell. It's so refreshing. It's in my big bar. Olive oil, glycerin, and the center has some more glycerin pieces and some shea butter. So this you can get. You can have the actual massage oil, or you can just have the soap, or you can have both. But anyway, so this is brown sugar and fig. It smells fantastic. This is also, I have so many things that I was excited about. I'm only going to show you a few because I have to save some for my other feeds. This is coming. So I had my daughter and Peter in mind. Well, and take a peek. So I thought it was a perfect time. Can you find the oil? Can you put the oil into, yes, you can put it into a face cloth. Absolutely. So they're double wedding bands, rings, right? Isn't that cool? So what I decided to do with this is crazy. This is Honeysuckle body wash. I just had this thought and I wanted to try this. So I have Honeysuckle body wash in there first, and then I finished it with the Plumeria. Plumeria is from Hawaii. It's a flower, and it's very difficult to describe. If you look it up and you ask people, what does it really smell like? And they'll tell you, oh, it's very hard. We can't really describe it. Sometimes it smells like it's sweet and sometimes it's spicy. It is so refreshing, and you will love this. So Plumeria is from Hawaii. It's the oil, the plant, the flower is from Hawaii, and they're little flowers, just like the elderflowers that grow on a shrub. Anyway, it smells fantastic. So it's body wash, and it's a soap. Remember, all of my soaps are used on your face. They're very gentle. I use my soap on my face every morning, every night. You know, I use this. You're supposed to be able to do that. But this wasn't going to be good enough. So I thought, you know what? I think I'm going to put it into a bag. Let me just grab one that's not open. And, okay, so, well, there's one in here. These are called Sisal Bags, S-I-S-A-L, pronounced Sisal. And they're exfoliating bags, very, very gentle on your skin. So you can put your soap in here, which is in here right now, one of these pink soaps, okay? And you just close it all up, and you just, you know, go into the shower, wherever you're you use this like that. These bags are just washed and just hang them to dry, and you can use them over and over and over again. So these are really great bags to have. Anyway, I had to have that with it. I have a new soap that I remember I was doing a show years ago at Rumor's Salon in Marlboro. I always like to throw out that as well. And the show, someone came up to me and said, do you have any grape soap? Sorry for my back. So I ended up making wild grape. So I was thinking that years ago, I was at my grandmother's house, my grandparents' house. And when you walked out their back door, they had a wild grape, I think it's going to be great. Well, so anyway, this wild grape soap was, the thought I had was my grandmother and grandfather, their backyard, their grapevine. And I don't write a lot down. And sometimes when I write it down, I never read it. So I'm just kind of all over the place. That's just me in general. But anyway, so they would go, my grandfather would go out and he would say to my grandmother, used to call her Mama. And he said, Mama, would you just go make me some jelly, some wild grape jelly? So this made me think of it. The scent, I ordered it over and over again. I couldn't find anything that was quite the right scent until I got this. So anyway, I do have a lot of these in stock. I made a ton of them. They have the shea butter in the center, the glycerin, the olive oil, vitamin E, vitamin B5 for absorption and all that. Again, on your face. Use these on your face. I also have the face moisturizer and eye moisturizer all in one. And I've had so many reviews on this, and everybody seems to love it. Now, I did not change anything about it at all, except the blueberry. I'm having a horrible time finding the blueberry scent. And it's okay, because it has everything that you really need. The grapeseed oil, the carrot seed oil, and it has some fig in it, and it's just really, really great for you. They're in new bottles. They're for under your eyes, and they're also for your face. And they're not in new bottles because I can't find the other ones. I did finally find the other ones, but I loved these for a change. Because if you take these, now watch this. They're so cute as a gift. So you take your bottle, and you might want to give just this as a gift to somebody. And that's terrific. But then you might want to, you know, change it up and give them the face mask, which I know someone that's on here right now has tried it. Or you might want to, in addition to that, or you might want to try the cleanser. The cleanser is made, and it looks like this. It's made with all kinds of stuff. I forget what it's made with. This is terrible. I forget. I think I put lemon in it. I know it, apple fruit and all of that sort of stuff, but I think I put a little lemon. Yeah, lemongrass is in here. So it's just very slight. This is a cute little package you can put together. And if you did something like that, I am happy to put it in a little bag for you. And if it's not Valentine's Day, I have other bags as well. So that was kind of a cute set that you could do. Or if you prefer, I can just put the package together like this. So it would come with the little brush. It comes with the little face mask, and it's all inside here. So that's something you could order if you wanted to do that. But anyway, I wanted to just pop on this morning and say hi, let you know I'm still alive and still here. I'm always in my my element when I'm creating, so I've been doing a lot of that. There's some black bottles there, and there's some other bottles back there, and I will have those in my next feed. I have new bags that are super cute, and they will have a whole product, and there will be a new surprise for you in each of these bags, so you can order these. These are my mystery packages. I have Valentine's Day bags that look like these that are super cute. I guess I'm using the word super a lot. But anyway, thank you. So I will be putting something together in here, and I also will be putting something together in the black bottles. Someone asked me if I would start carrying products for their house so they could, you know, clean their house with all my natural products. I'm not going to do that, but I'm doing something as close to that as I can get. So anyway, try my contest there. And if you'd like to, I always say this, sprinkle a little, you know, sprinkle around. It doesn't cost you anything, doesn't cost me. If you just send my name or share my page, Scented Soaps by Karen page, if you share that, or if you tag a friend or tag someone that might be interested in natural products and so on. But remember, I have so many products that are going to be good for you that will not cause you to have to worry about cleaning things up. They're water soluble, they're biodegradable, they have all the right vitamins in them that will help you to use a product where you don't have additives added. So vitamin E is fantastic, and B12 helps everything absorb into your skin. And I am sure I'm forgetting something, but thank you for hopping on today. If whoever watches the replay, if you just write #replay, that'd be great. I'll head over to Instagram this afternoon, and then, like I said, onto YouTube. And hopefully you'll be interested in some of the products. Take a peek, and I will see you at my next live feed. I am going to do them at 10:30 on Friday mornings, I've decided. So have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.